What if I told you there's a version of you living just 1 week ahead? And that version isn't stressed about money, isn't ordering food at midnight, isn't wondering where everything went. Because every Sunday, they run a system, not a complicated one, not a perfect one, just a system that quietly saves them $200 a week. Let me show you what that looks like. 1. Face the damage. Sunday, 6 p.m. You sit down, open your bank app, and there it is. The damage. Random charges, silent hits. It's like looking at the aftermath of a battle you don't remember fighting. No emotions, no guilt, just awareness. Because once you see the enemy, you stop getting ambushed. 2. Draw the line. Now it's time to set the boundary. This is your line in the sand. This week, I spend this much, no more, not monthly, weekly. Because weeks are real, weeks you can control. You split it mentally. Food, transport, life, simple. This isn't a restriction, this is control. 3. The food trap reveal. Now comes the biggest villain of them all. What should I eat? That question has drained more money than almost anything else. So, Sunday, you steps in. You decide, before the chaos begins. A few meals, a rough plan, nothing fancy. Because when Monday you gets hungry, there's no debate. And no debate means no $25 quick decisions. 4. The list of power. You turn your plan into a list, not a wish list. Not, maybe I'll grab this. A list. And this list, it's a shield. Because the store is designed to break you. Bright lights, discounts, temptation everywhere. But when you walk in with a list, you're not a consumer. You're on a mission. In, out, done. 5. Future you gets backup. Now you prepare. Not everything, just enough. Cook a few meals. Set things up. Because future you, he's tired, busy, distracted, and tired people don't make smart decisions. They make easy ones. So you remove the need to decide. And suddenly, expensive choices disappear. 6. Cash mode activated. Now comes a powerful move. You withdraw a fixed amount of cash. This is your weekly fuel, and here's the rule. When it's gone, it's gone. No digital escape, no backup card, because swiping feels invisible. But cash feels real. And when it feels real, you think twice. 7. Cut 1. Hidden leak. Every Sunday you hunt for one thing, just one. A subscription, a useless expense, something quietly draining you. You eliminate it. That's it. It doesn't feel big. But week after week, you're removing weight. And your money starts breathing again. 8. Prepare for the ambush. Because it's coming. That moment, late night, low energy. You don't feel like cooking. You don't feel like thinking. This is where most people fall. But not you. Because Sunday you already planned it. A backup meal, a cheap option, a default move. So when the ambush hits, you don't react, you execute. 9. One rule to rule the week. You don't need 20 rules, just one. This week, no food delivery, or no spending on weekdays, or only essentials. One rule, simple, clear. This becomes your focus, and focus beats motivation every time. This isn't about being perfect. You'll mess up. You'll overspend sometimes. That's not the point. The point is that every Sunday, you reset. You step back into control. And week after week, those small systems stack. $200 a week doesn't sound crazy. Until you realize that's over $10,000 a year. So the question is, what does your Sunday look like? Because that decides your week. Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more systems like this, hit subscribe and take control, 1 week at a time.